In this video, I'll show you how to check PayPal balance. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, let's begin. If you are using your mobile device, open the app and log in your credentials. Now, if you're using your computer, go here at paypal.com and log in your details. After doing so, here we need to put our email or the mobile number that is associated with our account. And of course, you need to put the password. After doing so, what will happen is you will automatically be directed to your home page with your account summary right here. So here's how you're gonna see your PayPal balance. Right now, you can use the PayPal balance on any purchases you want, on different store, or even paying your client or even your boss. All right. Remember, PayPal's interface might change over time, but generally, your current balance should be displayed prominently on the platform, whether you're using the website or the mobile app. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.